In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails from multiple inboxes to a single inbox on Gmail. This is a really handy technique to manage and streamline your emails, especially if you're juggling multiple email accounts for work, personal matters, or different projects. Imagine the ease of checking all your emails in one place without the constant back and forth. So let's dive right in and simplify your email life. First, you'll need to access the Gmail account that you want to forward all emails from. Once you're logged in, you'll see the settings icon at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. It's the little gear-shaped symbol that everyone's familiar with. Click that icon, and from the drop-down menu, choose See All Settings. This will lead you to a whole range of options to customize your Gmail experience. In the Settings menu, look for the tab that says Forwarding and Pop IMAP. Give it a click and you will find yourself on the page where you can set up email forwarding. It's important to make sure that the settings are correct here, as they control how your emails are forwarded from this account. Now, click on the button that says Add a Forwarding Address. This is where you will input the email address of the inbox where you want all your emails to go. Remember that this should be your primary inbox where you wish to consolidate your emails. After entering the forwarding address, click Next, and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Make sure everything looks good and then click Proceed. What happens next is Gmail will send a confirmation code to the email inbox you just specified. So, head over to that inbox, find the email from Gmail, and note the confirmation code it contains. This code is a safety measure to ensure that you have control over both accounts and nothing fishy is going on. Return to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP settings in the original account and paste the confirmation code into the field provided. Doing this verifies that it's really you who made this request. Once you've entered the code, click Verify. Now, you'll see the forwarding option reappear with a choice to forward a copy of incoming mail to your chosen address. Select this option and decide how Gmail should handle those emails. You can choose to keep a copy in the original inbox or archive them automatically. Go ahead and make your choice based on your preferences. Finally, don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes to lock in your settings. And there you have it. Repeat these steps for any other Gmail accounts you wish to forward emails from. With these settings, you'll have all your emails neatly funneled into one place, making your life much simpler. We hope this how-to guide has been helpful, and that your email management feels lighter and more efficient. Thanks for watching.